My name is Calleja, and the title of my second year project is Forecasting the Outcome of Football Matches Using Artificial Neural Networks. For this project, matches from the Serie A seasons 2014-2018 were used, and neural networks were used to make predictions based on two types of data. The first type of data was statistics based on the current season, and the second type of data was statistics based on previous seasons. For the first part of statistics, the first statistics used data from the current season, such as home team shots, away shots, shots on target, free kicks, and corners. And the second data set used data such as previous season standings, previous wins, previous draws, and the average of the past three seasons. As one may notice, there are some teams which have no data, as the previous season they were not in the league, or no data for the previous three seasons, as they were not in the league for the previous three seasons. This was catered for accordingly, which will be explained later on. Onto the neural network. Uh, Four packages needed to be used. The neural network, the dummies, G-models, and correlation plot. The neural network for the neural network itself. The G-models and the dummies for the plotting of the models. And the core plot for plotting of correlation plot, which will be explained later. Uh, with regards to the neural network itself, first of all, a normalized function was created to change the data into numbers between -1 and 1 to help the neural network work faster. Moving on, each season, the four seasons were put into one CSV file. Data which was not needed was removed, such as the division, as they are all in the same division. The date of the matches, it does not have effect on the outcome. And the full-time home goals and away goals, as the neural network would be influenced by the number of goals each team scored, and then the data was used like that. The data was split into three buckets, which had the home team win, away team win, and the draw. A seed was set at random, and the data was normalized using the previously mentioned function. Next, the data was split into training and testing sets. Three splitting types were used: 70-80, 70-30, 80-20, and 90-10. And then the neural network was generated. There were two models which were created: the basic model, which had a single layer, and the boosted model which had more than one layer. Like here has only one layer, and this one has three layers. After the models made their predictions, a plot similar to this was created, and a cross table similar to this was also created. This cross table shows the wins, draws, and losses, and these were put into a table in Excel so that the accuracy, precision, recall, FNR, and FPR could be calculated like so. Like here we can see how they are, like similar to this. And the data was put into here, which shows the accuracy, precision, recall, FNR, and FPR. This was done for all the data sets, like so. And finally, after getting all the results, a correlation plot was generated. This was done by getting all the statistics used, scaling them, and generating a correlation plot with them, which was similar to this. Uh, Although all statistics were correlated with each other, the most important ones were the full-time result. So this column here and this row down here.